Hello, welcome to AQTech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your YouTube video thumbnails in Microsoft Word. Even in Microsoft Word, you don't need to learn any big software, any advanced software, any advanced application. You don't need to use. If you know a little bit, and if you are beginner in Microsoft Word, you can even make a good and attractive thumbnails in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First, you have to open up your Microsoft Word, whatever the version is, doesn't matter. And then if you want to set the dimension for YouTube thumbnails, so here what you have to go to just go to the page layout and then size, set the size, click on size, and I don't want here the default size, so I need to go to more paper size, and then here a letter size. I need to go for the margin, so the custom size, and just right here the 4.2 inches width and height 2.4, and it would be in pixel to 1280 and 720. So just it's okay, 2.4 and 4.2, it's custom size. Okay, now it's your YouTube thumbnail size. Just get it zoom out so you can see everything properly on the screen. Just press the control button and scroll up and down to increase or decrease, to zoom in or to zoom out. And then now let's get design the thumbnails. First of all, you can write here like create, but it's not gonna work for, so we are going to use a word art. If you know word art, how to create a word art, so just if you don't know, so don't you worry, I'm going to teach you. Just click on insert, and here we have word art. Word art is a type of text. You can create any design from the list or the gallery. Right now I don't want any hi-fi design. I just go to the symbol, this one, and just write how to create, and then okay. Now I want it straight, I don't want the curly words, so just go to the format, and here change shape, and then just click a straight line. Now I want to move it towards the top, so now here's the problem, it's not movable. So what you have to do, don't you worry, just double click on the text, and then here's format to tape, and then go to the text dripping, and then just get tight, click on tight option, and then you can see here how to create, and just make it like this. Okay, and then if you want to write a type another text, so you just go the same way inside, and then but I want to make it short, and just copy the same text. Control C from the keyboard for copy, Control V for the paste. You want to use this option also, copy and then paste. You can see here, then just double click here, and then edit text. I want the next text, how to create YouTube thumbnails. Okay, YouTube thumbnails, and then if it's not fit in, then what you have to do, double click, edit text, YouTube, only YouTube, and then okay. Then we want to make it bigger, and then copy the same text, Control C, Control V here, the downside, and again text, thumbnails, in, if you want to, right here, and then you can see here Okay. Same size as we have in the on the top. Microsoft Word, then copy this text, Control C and Control V, edit text, MS Word or Microsoft Word, whatever, doesn't matter. So I'm going to use this text, and then why I just leave the space here to put an image or icon, whatever you want. So if you don't have, so you can download, but I have already downloaded this image I want to put here. So you may copy or just drag and drop here. Now this image I want to make the same changes, so go and text wrapping, just go to the title and then make this size bigger. Now I want to move the face left to the right, so what I have to do, click on rotate and the horizontal face. Now you can see it's very good and properly managed. I want to put another icon here, which will be Microsoft Word icon, to make it more attractive so that people understand what you are actually trying to create. So same folder I have the Word icon, Microsoft Word icon, you can download from the internet, and then again go tight and then make it, you can use here. The size, just manageable size. Okay, it's okay. Now I want to make more attractive this and make some design. So just I want to take a rectangle on the bottom side and then just color any color and then no outline at all, and I want to put this rectangle background in the background. So just send to back. If it doesn't work, so go here and then behind the text you can see here in Microsoft Word. Now if you want to change the color of the Microsoft Word, anything you can do it, but I want to change the background here. So just make a background here like this. Okay, outline, no outline we required, and we want just a color. So this color, whatever the color, okay, this sky green, blue, sorry. So then just fill, shape fill color, there is, okay. Now put it to background, just go ahead in the behind the text. Now you can see here, and also I want to change the color of this and the YouTube and everything. So just go here and then fill color should be red and no outline at all. I don't want outline. Okay, and the same I want to change this color, so go here and any color you want, but I want the same color in thumbnails, and outline, no outline color at all. Okay, and Microsoft, how to create, I want to take it in the blue color or this color. Okay, you can okay, how to create this. At the same time, if you want to put some other auto shapes or the images in the background, icons in the background, like I have here all auto shapes, and just click here and then drop a design like this. I just want to put here and the text in the background, so just send to back send backwards. If it doesn't work, still text behind, but it's went to the far behind. So what you have to do, just click the image in the background and then just bring in front, bring in front, and then go here and in front of the text. Now you can see here. Then select your text and make it. How to create in Microsoft, how to create thumbnails in Microsoft. If you want to check this like this, so it's okay, but it's not good, so we can cancel it out. Now you can see it, and the same time now you change it. Oops, everything is shaking out, but you can still manage it. And YouTube, you can make it bigger. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, make it more. Okay, these colors, even this. Okay, so okay, just make it a little software like this. And then what we have to do, go to insert and click on this rectangle and just make it outline like this, and go to the fill, image shape filler, and then no fill. We want only the border here, the border, and make it the border style more. And you can see here the border style we don't want, we want this. And okay, now you can see here. And the same time you want to make it closer to the border, and here we see. And this one just move towards the center, and you can still make it like this. Now here we have the final look. You can see you can make more changes as you want, like what I'm doing right now, but it's enough, and people can read, people can see, and people can okay, here's the problem. I think here. Okay, so if here's the problem, so it doesn't, just click it and make it change, and now you can see it. And if you still want to change the even the border color, so you may go here, and the shape color even you can change it like yellow. Okay, this color, let's go whatever the color you want. Oh, you want black color? No, not at all. Red color, any color you want. Like this color is more attractive and professional, so we use this color. And now it's a final look. We don't want to change more color. If you still don't want the background color, sorry, the outline color, so you can remove, you can change, you can do anything here. Now I want to save it, I want to convert, or I want to export it in the JPEG format. So what you have to do, it's just click here and maybe here, okay, to take a screenshot, what you have to do, window option or press print screen from the keyboard. Window option plus shift and then press press S button at the same time, like this. And then I want this area as my screenshot, and then just click here and open Photoshop like this. I have done already. Just click paint and then Control V, paste, and now make it according to the thumbnails, and then just save it. Control S from the keyboard or click here and save as, and go to the thumbnails, thumbnail in MS Word. Very simple. Just click on save, and then you can see in the folder, you can see here, just in Microsoft Word, and I want to open it. Here we go. It's very simple and very easy. You don't need to use any other software. You don't need to learn any other application to create simple thumbnails, attractive thumbnails for your YouTube. So this was all about the thumbnails in Microsoft Word. Hope so you understand and you learn how to create a YouTube thumbnails in Microsoft Word.